Hi guys, today we'll be making the Moroccan bread, the simplest type of Moroccan bread with one type of flour because here in Morocco we have a lot of types of bread depending on the flour or the mix of flour we use. In Morocco we need a lot of bread because we eat it with almost everything, especially tagines. In the description box below you can find all the ingredients and measurements you need to make this bread, and let's start baking. First you need to sift the flour. Here I'm using some organic bread flour. You need eventually to use bread flour for this type of bread. Next I'm adding the yeast. Here I'm using the instant yeast. This is optional, you can add grains or just leave the dough plain. Here I'm using some linseeds, along with some fennel seeds, and some sesame seeds as well. Don't forget the salt, and then add the lukewarm water to mix the dough. I'm using a stand mixer with a hook attachment, but you can also make the dough by hand. Then I'm gonna add the lukewarm water and mix the dough until the dough is formed. I didn't cut any short, so you can see the consistency of the dough. It should be like this, a little sticky, but the form of the dough is in one bowl. So yeah, now we covered the dough and we let it rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in volume. After 1 hour it should be looking like this. So now we're gonna form the little balls of bread. I'm using here some really extra fine semolina, but you can use anything, even plain flour. We're gonna take some extra fine semolina and put it on a clean towel, just like so. You can also use some bran flour. Here I'm using a mix of both. Take some water. It will help you to take the dough from the container. Take each piece and roll it like so until you form a dough or a ball. And then press it. In Morocco, we use thinner breads. It's not like in the European countries where we can find a big loaf. In Morocco, we have thinner bread, like without a lot of crumb. So that's why we're making it like this. And it's actually good if you want to eat tagines. It's easier than a big loaf. Yeah, next we're gonna leave it to rise for a second time, not for too long, just 15 minutes, and then bake it on an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna see the result in a few seconds. Here is the result. This is the Moroccan bread. It's soft. It's very soft and it has that crunchy outside. I hope you liked this video and you will be making this bread at home. I hope you will leave some likes and some really great comments below. I hope to see you next time with another video of maybe Morocco or another place in the world. Bye bye.